What's up, everybody? Today I got something a little bit different than what I normally do. We're going to take the table that I've had here. This is a FlexiSpot table, and I'm going to slide it down that way, and we've got a new one that we're going to put in today. FlexiSpot has sent me a table to do a video on, so we're going to take this table, unbox it, we're going to put it together, and I'm going to try it out, show you guys some of the features of it. So you can go to FlexiSpot's website and check them out. The one I currently have is an E7 Pro. That one has done me well. It's a great table. It's just a little bit smaller than what I need for. And I actually won that on a Reddit post, which was really cool. So the new one we have today is an E7 Plus. It's a little bit bigger. It's got a bigger table width. It's got a little bit more weight that it can lift up and things like that as well. I don't really necessarily need the weight. Some printers that we put up here and do builds on are a little bit heavy, so it's nice to have that extra option. Let's go ahead and open this box, get it assembled, and check it out. Here we go. So this thing is going to be perfect for my setup. There's different sizes you can get. You can get different legs, different options. There's all kinds. Just check out the website for that. It goes up pretty high, way higher than what I would need this thing to go, and it also goes down very low. So I could pick up these heavy printers, set them on top of it, lift them up, use it as like a lift. So the panel can be mounted on the left side or the right or wherever your heart desires. So I put mine over here on the left. It goes up and down. If you press and hold on the button, is what makes it move up and down. It's also got some memory functions. If you press the M button and then press 1 or 2 or the stand up and the sit down icons, it will memorize that and get you to that level just by pressing the 1 button. That way, if you use it as a stand up and a sit down desk, you can be standing up by pressing 1 and press 2 if you want to use a chair at it. Press that and it'll get down to the exact level that you want it to be. Another really cool feature that's a small one, but it's very handy for me, is there is a USB connection on the side of your panel. You can plug your phone in right there, just like that, and we're charging our phone. So makes it much easier than trying to have a plug-in and everything like that around. So the particular one that I have here is the bamboo top. It's very solid. There's other options you can get for the tabletops, but this is just the one that I went with. So now we got our handy dandy glass of water to hydrate, you know. Okay. We set her down in the middle of the table. As you can see, as it stops moving anyways, you can see here that if I do any bouncing around, it's not really having much of an effect. So that's great. Now I don't have to worry about it handling one of these big, huge, heavy printers back here, or when I'm doing my work, that it's going to collapse on me or something like that. We don't want that. So if you are in the market for a standing desk, I have to highly recommend that you check out FlexiSpot's lineup. They have a table for all your needs, different table options as far as angled, corner tables, things like that. All kinds of different options, lots of different tabletops, very solid, very sturdy, and loaded with features. And also, if you need a chair, they have absolutely amazing chairs. This is a chair that I have. It's an ergonomic chair from FlexiSpot. It is very wonderful. It helps my back so much when sitting long periods of time. They have some other features like mounts for your screens to put on here, things like that. All other kinds of options, different drawers. Just check out the website. Thank you, FlexiSpot, for the table. Highly appreciate it. It's going to be used a lot. Check us out. We do live streams every Saturday. We're also starting to do a midweek stream. That's right. I don't know what day yet we're going to go with. Wednesdays, Thursdays, whatever works, but you will see we will post that up. Subscribe to the channel and you will get notified. Thank you guys for watching. Everybody out there have a fabulous week.